Select MLB 8797. Let's do this thing. 5 times. Here we go. Shut up, machine. Five times. Let's do this. No personals. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Cardinals. Bottom is the Dodgers. That's 5 times. Get rid of the random. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Good luck. And say, did someone tell me this break definitely wasn't going tonight as well? That's funny. Oh, where'd the break name go? Goodbye, Haz. I'll try. I'm definitely sleeping at church and I'm not going home and waking Brooke up. It'll take me too long to get the rest of it. Alright, select MLB 8797. Let's do this thing. Lander, Cabrera, Vaughn. To 299, Colby Allard for Texas. And Fuego, Jacob DeGrom. Matt Manning. Evan Diaz. Red, Thomas Zapaki for New York to 109. Paul Goldschmidt, Silver, Ty France. Freddie Peralta to 299. Chris McCormack, rookie jersey auto for Houston. 99. What the hell is that? Jose Abreu. Fidel Brajan, rookie jersey for Tampa Bay. And Anthony Rizzo, select stars. I have no strong feelings for or against John Cena. He used to be my favourite wrestler. Most globe. Jordan Montgomery and a light blue Ian Happ to 149. Happy dog. You're just a happy dog. Modern, Riddle, Chris Taylor. Louis Robert, tricolour. Babe Ruth. I didn't even start season 4. Might do that tonight. Carl Tucker, Ozzy Albies, Brian Reynolds, Lucas Giolotto, Lion Green, and Greg Dykeman, number 299. Stevenson, Kilbadu, Tricolour, Otani, Select Stars, Brajan. I will be watching one event. Castro, Daniel Cruz, Silva, Polanco. I watched AEW today, Maggie. It was really good. Rookie Siri, Adele, Light Blue, Romy Gonzalez. Don't activate, please. I love Money in the Bank. Still no Royal Rumble, but it's always fun. Otto, Hendricks, Idman. To 250, silver rookie jersey, TJ Friedel. Show Tani silver moonshots. Apparently she has, Maggie. She's gone. Apparently she was quietly released. Marquez, silver Luke Williams, rookie. Connor Wong, Mazeka, Eddie Matthews, tricolour, Frank Thomas. Ah, very funny. Happy July 1st, everyone. Matt Brash, Bellinger, Duran, rookie jersey, and Fuego Ozzy Albies. Maggie, you're a cheeky bastard. You knew exactly what you were doing with that, didn't you? Ashby, Verdugo, Madison Bumgarner, Vladimir Guerrero. I'm going to Garner Maggie's done. Nathan Eovaldi. And Drew Ellis for Arizona, white to 17/50. Very funny, Maggie. That's a good joke. I should just do them all. Andrew McCutcheon to 250. Greg Dykman, silver jersey. Mookie Betts Sparks. Maggie, that is actually a very funny joke. Did someone put you up to that? You, Darvish? Blue, Aaron Savale. No, to 140. That's exceptionally funny, mate. You know, congratulations, mate. That's really good. Walsh, Bassett, Dykman. Alvarez, Silver, Yastrzemski. Oh, he's real proud of it. Trout, Sabuki, India, Yadier Molina. Thank you all. It was me and Sean. Oh boy. Otto Lopez, Gary Carter, the white Manny Machado, number 50. Bellinger, Eli Morgan jersey for Cleveland. Silver of Gavin Trevor McCoy, silver Sandy Alcantara. Detmers, Crawford. To 99.99, Youth Explosion, South Frelick for Milwaukee. That's a cool looking card. You want Alvarez? Maggie, how many people are watching on YouTube at the moment? Surely there are not that many people watching at midnight. Logan Webb, Tricolor Devis, Spark from Lacuna Jr. Joe Adele, Blake Snell, Red Hunter Renfroe, number 2/109. 26, wow. Shout out to all 26 if you're still watching. I appreciate you. Mazeca, Silver, Keeper Ruiz. Gleyber Torres, John Heasley jersey for Kansas City, and a silver Brandon Marsh. Oh look, you know what there hasn't been for a while? One of those sex books. Myers, Brian Hayes, silver Trevor Rogers. That's the diamond level. I reckon that might be the last one. Babe Ruth, Josiah Gray, Austin Meadows. To 109, Jose Devers, silver auto for Miami. Cal Ripken, Select Stars. This is healthy. Garrett Cole, Ryan Sandberg, Carlos Correa. To 99, it is Luis Frias for Arizona, rookie jersey auto. And an Fuego, Josh Donaldson. Arizona picking up the Luis Frias. Rez, Sheets, Sosa, Verdugo, Silva, Otto Lopez. He's not. He was rude to me. He asked me, "What have I done teams yet?" When the midnight turned over. Alvadi, Manoa, Red, Kyle Hendricks, number 199. Vlad, India, Castillo. Here we go. Redemption. Quick reveal. Boop. Rookie jersey autographs holo. Wander Franco for Tampa Bay. 23, Ben Spackman. Congratulations. En Fuego, Jose Altuve. That is very nice. Congratulations, sir. It's shameless redemption, but that's nice. Val, Jordan Alvarez. Lightning strikes. That's the first I've seen that. Potential case hit? I'm not sure. Matt Olson. And a silver, Ronzi Contreras. That is select MLB 8797.